What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna make a quick, straight to the point video on how to replace the fogs on your 04 to 08 TL. This is a 2007 Type S. These are the replacements that I got off of eBay. Cost about 12 bucks, I think. I was doing some research. People were saying it was kind of, you gotta take the bumper off and all that stuff. I've already changed the other side. It took me about 5 minutes. All you have to do, get your flathead screwdriver. There's a clip. Turn the wheel in or out, it really doesn't matter. There's a clip, focus right here. One right here. Under here, there's a 10 millimeter bolt right there. And another little screw clip right here. And you can take this one off, this 10 down here, but you don't have to. I did not. So all I did is take your screwdriver, get the clip, doing this with one hand, just kind of play with the little clip here till it pops out. Just try not to break it. Maybe from this side. I think I gotta do it from this side. Yeah, there it is. I don't have to yank them out, just kind of finesse it out a little bit. Showing you the full process. Kind of hard to get this angle with one hand. There you go. Pull that one out. The clip is saved. It can be reused. I'm gonna do the same thing on this clip. Alright, that's out. So as you can see, technically, you can kind of, sorry for all the moving, I'm doing this with one hand as usual. But as you can see, I can technically, if you got small hands, that's really all you need to do. There's your fog light right there. But I'm 275 pounds and have big arms, so my arms don't fit there. So you've seen how I did that. It's super easy. I'm not gonna record me doing these two because it's gonna take the same amount of time. And then I'll show you what to do next. This 10 should be super easy to spin. Should be no stripping going on or anything. Alright, so I just got those two bottom ones out, and as you can see, this is really loose. I can shake it. Now I can pull it back a little bit more and get my hand right there. All I'm gonna do, just pull this clip off right here, and then you turn it counterclockwise to pull it out. There's my old bulb. You can see it won't focus, but that's where it's disconnected, so it blew. Gonna take my new light. Here's my new light. So just gonna stick it in there and turn it clockwise. And this part, once it's in, I think this part should be facing down. Alright, so it's just sitting in there now. And all I gotta do is just turn it clockwise and it's locked in there. Put your clip back on, and fog light bulbs have been changed in under 5 minutes. To put the clips back in, just pull this part up as much as you can. Put this part back in the hole, like so. And then take, if it comes out, it's fine. Just take that, snap it back in, and it's in there. All right, time to see if these fog lights work. Gonna turn them on and turn the switch on. And you can't barely see them, but there they are. I have working fog lights now. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I know the videos have been a lot on the TL. More videos of the Accord coming soon. But like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.